Yes.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Where are we?
Well, we are at Katarinahissen.
And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 people here.
Hello.
That's a lot.
Hello, Jonas.
Hello.
21st of April.
This might be the most we ever get in one elevator at the same time.
Yeah, historic.
Absolutely explode.
They used to have 2 cabs before, but they were built into one big. It took forever for them to rebuild this, I think. They were also more in the 1970s before.
I think it's like built to lift 33 people.
Well, we're going to get a bunch in here right now.
200. Everyone inside?
Everyone is inside.
Yes.
Yep.
Close. Where it is.
Look at the view here.
This is just like when I did the press release last of all.
There's a lot of people.
It's a nice view.
But it wasn't been made before. They should have chosen
This
one
is the
elevator.
most I've ever been in one elevator with filming.
But this is a special when many are here. But
This is
a
also
special
the first time I've met all of you.
special
Let's go up.
like occasion, yes.
Send the elevator up.
Here are 9 elevator enthusiasts doing a new record.
Det kommer upp.
Yes. I'm gonna look at the view over here. And the view towards that side, we have Dieselducy here. Hello. Look at these beautiful views. There's these church towers in Stockholm. And we have Slussen here. You can see it, the metro things. Subways and all that big demons.
Right, I'm heading out.
One more. Och sen...
On the top there.
One more ride, I think. There's someone waiting.
Yeah.
Enough of
We can take
I'd love to take it.
I'm taking another one.
Yeah.
We'll have to bring the person up with us.
Yeah. We can film all of the windows.
We got room now.
That's good.
Yeah.
And it's out of focus. I hate it when it goes like that.
Yesterday was terrible because it was all of the
It goes blurry. I hate when it does that.
We got room now. Come on in.
So what's going on? Oh, it's like a...
We're taking a video of the elevator. We're elevator enthusiasts.
Okay, what's nice about this elevator then?
Oh, it's like the most
fun.
iconic
The view.
elevator
The
of-
view.
The
of, like,
view.
Sweden.
the
Stockholm.
Yeah, and also history.
Especially,
Yeah, I would say
especially
so.
the view onto the city there. And the absolutely marvelous view onto the bus station. Very good.
You're not lying.
Turn right, up and down. How many times?
3 times.
Alright, thank you for the ride.
One more ride.
Thank you. Thank you for the company.
I'm getting off here.
Yeah.
Dårarna stängs.
Nice. And you're so enjoying the ride and the view.
Over here. No, go up.
Yeah, probably.
I think I'll end the video.
Someone exiting? No.
No.
This is like
Oh,
a-
let's take it.
I'm gonna check the special label later.
Yeah, me too. So.
So yeah. I'm gonna take a view on this side.
There you can see our boat.
It looks like a Baltic country.
Yes.
like the city center of Riga is like very.
Floor. Washington. Here we are. Alright, that's the most people I've been in one elevator with. Some people trying to use the elevator.
Yeah.
Så.
Yeah. That's